stop. This is turmeric, but not how you've ever seen it before. 4 stages, 1 factory. This is how the world's most advanced factory makes turmeric powder. Every step is precise, every second controlled. From fertile soil, turmeric begins its journey toward precision processing.
Look how bright these are!
They are perfect. We are making good time today.
This turmeric now travels toward one of the world's most advanced processing facilities. This turmeric has arrived where automation takes over. This advanced facility is designed to handle turmeric with absolute precision. As the dock doors ascend, the interior conveyor systems stand ready to receive the shipment of vibrant turmeric roots. Inside, turmeric begins its controlled industrial transformation. At this stage, turmeric enters controlled cleaning systems. Cleaned turmeric is now prepared for transformation. Turmeric now enters its core, mechanical processing stage.
Turmeric undergoes its most critical moisture transformation here.
Controlled heat drying ensures even moisture removal as the turmeric advances through the chamber.
As the turmeric moves beneath the probes, the system precisely measures and records temperature and humidity data.
The turmeric slices exit the drying chamber, now fully dehydrated and brittle.
The turmeric is now ready to become powder. Automation now takes full control of turmeric processing. Automation now takes full control of turmeric processing.
Inside the grinding chamber, high-speed steel grinders break down the turmeric slices. The coarse powder then flows seamlessly into the transfer pipe.
Through advanced automated mills, we refine the turmeric into a microfine powder, ensuring uniform size before classification.
Turmeric powder now moves toward precision finishing.
Precision ensures every turmeric particle meets quality standards.
High-resolution cameras identify any discoloration or oversized fragments, which are instantly removed by precise air jets. As the drums rotate, the turmeric is perfectly blended by our automated paddles, ensuring consistent color and texture.
Our turmeric powder is now moving toward the automated packaging line, maintaining the highest standards of cleanliness and efficiency.
Turmeric is now ready for final quality assurance. Every batch of turmeric is rigorously tested for quality.
This state-of-the-art optical sorting guarantees unmatched purity and consistent color in every batch.
Only turmeric that passes every test moves forward for distribution.
Turmeric now enters its final packaging stage.
The automated system ensures efficient and precise palletizing, securely wrapping the turmeric for transit to storage.
This state-of-the-art facility ensures our premium turmeric is stored in optimal conditions before being shipped globally.
And this is how modern factories produce turmeric from start to finish.